Oh, you want that?
Yeah, but it's expensive.
Etong isang set.
Bakit tayo pumunta dito? Ubos ang kwarta.
Hello guys, we're gonna go to IKEA so that we can get some stuff for our new house. Yay! And before we go to IKEA, we have to eat at IKEA. So let's go to IKEA. Bye guys. See you there. Hello guys, today we're gonna be eating at IKEA. It's not even opening, but we went to the food area to eat. This is our food. I have one barbecue. I don't know what it tastes like, so I only got one. And I don't know what this is. I forgot. What was this again?
That's Daddy's.
Oh, this is Dad's. And I have a croissant, my main meal. And I have water in a pink cup.
Water.
But it's water.
What?
My sister has like chicken and rice. Mom has cheesecake, a vegetable, and some sort of chicken.
Cheese croquette.
Okay. And Dad has meatballs with something that looks like an ice cream and carrots.
That's
That's potato.
That looks like ice cream. I saw the guy had like an ice
And
cream
with that-
scooper.
Wow!
And I did this.
Sarap. What are we gonna do here?
What do you? Oh, we're gonna try to find stuff for our new house. Guys, do you want to see the inside of this? Ah! Yeah, it's mush. I love the inside of this.
Did you pray? Wait, Iga. Tissue? Ang camera pa. Kaya nga luloko ko. Sa may CR pa lang meron ng... Oh, maganda eh. Yun lang.
That looks like seashell.
Ano sinasabi mo, Daddy? Oh. Ganito lang?
Kaya lang, hindi kasi yung ano natin, yung magiging ganyan.
Yung alin. Saan yan? Sa CR?
Oo.
Hindi. Doon yan sa may hallway. Ikaw pipicture lahat ng ano. Kasi kailangan natin itong... Saan mo ilalagay yan?
Like at the entrance.
Sa taas ng word.
Kano kaya ito? 1.6. Daddy, 1.6 ng taa. Daddy, track light din, no? Oh, you want that on your room?
Yeah, but it's too expensive.
Hanap ka pa ng mas mura. Go.
Ganda, oh.
Ng rug.
I do not.
Ayun, mas gusto ko yung isa. Hindi, maganda to. 7.4. Yun yung ano mo, kaya...
Ano yung kailangan?
Madaming kailangan. Daddy, saglit. Daddy, storage ni Candred. Hindi ko alam kung 7.5. Ito lang.
Large cappuccino.
Etong isang set na
25
to.
yung isa.
Ay lang.
Ito lang kalaki.
Daddy, mura lang. 5.9. Daddy. Ate, ito picture mo.
Okay, madam.
490 lang yan. Sa ano, design ng sopa. Kuha ka di. Diba? Yung pang ganon, yung nakalagay lang ganun. Lalo na malamig doon. This is 490.
Yan to mami, sabi siya.
Oh. Oo nga, makapal nga.
This one, you need them. It was this. You had this.
Oo.
This one's even cheaper.
Mas mura pa dito?
That's not peeling. And like, she ripped it down. And that's 20,000.
Daddy, dating 27. 20. Mag-same lang ba sila? Oo nga. No.
Hello, she.
Ito 24. Pero out of stock.
Stick na.
Ano na yung isa?
Guys,
350 lang mami yan.
is it aesthetic or aesthetic? Comment W if you're with me. Comment L if you're with my sister. But that's kind of like a little bit of a hazard because what if you put ketchup? But it's small but large. Mama,
Put that, okay?
36. Parang mas maganda yan kaysa dun sa para saan? Center table? Picturein. Mabigat? Ano? Center table? Ano? Okay ka na dyan? Daddy, mas mura yung white. 1.4. Ate, picture mo te.
Kukuha na tayo ng ano, table mo. Ito mami. Ganito lang kaliit.
Coffee table.
Is for you.
Ano to? Isang buo na?
Oh.
Table kasi.
Oh, yung table niya. Tapos ito yung paa niya. 200 isa.
Wow! Sayang. Ganda. Kasya kaya yan? Sukat niyan?
60.
60. Pwede bang tabasan ng 10?
Habang gano'n.
Huwag ka na magpaliwanag.
Pag may nakita ko, papa.
Huwag ka na magpaliwanag.
Basta ilagay mo na. In the end, kukunin mo pa rin na.
In the end, mamaya, 20 na yan nandyan. Yung sa inyong, yung room nyo muna yung kinukumpleto namin ni Daddy. Yun ba yung lead niya o yung isa? Tama, pares na sila ng lead. Dalawa pa.
Bakit tayo pumunta dito? Ubos ang kwarta.
Tapos yung dalawa masaya-masaya. Wala nang pera sa...
Ubos ang pera.
why you make Daddy very mad? I'm gonna give half of the money that I'm supposed to give to you to Dad.
Yun lang masasabi ko, ganda.
Ano sasabihin sa Daddy? Ano sasabihin sa Daddy?
Oh, naggatog sa'yo.
Thank you.
Kamsamida.
I love you.
Oo nga, kamsamida.
Arigatou gozaimashite. Bata.
Yung Daddy mo, ewan ko na. Ito ilagay mo para hindi siya mahirapang mag-ano.
Kinakaya mo. Alam ko yan. Ah.
Anong number? 16. Dito Daddy, 16, 24, 22.
At least you're just pushing. Let's go find some more stuff. We're trying to find our stuff that we got on our list. And I don't know if it can fit in the car, but I think it will. I'm pretty sure it will. Dad's gonna pick it up. Oh yeah, guys, we also got this.
For your dresser.
And I custom chose my own handle, and that was pretty cool that you can customize it, and it's only 200 pesos. So each handle costs 100 pesos, but 200 pesos one set of them.
Yeah. Dark gray.
You should have chose like ate. You should have chose a darker blue.
Kinukompleto yung room pa lang nito at room nun. Wala na kaming pera.
For us, why we are YouTubers, we just want to have memories, so when we grow older, we can just watch this again.
Ito ang pinakamahal na grocery na ginawa natin. Kung klaseng pamimili ito. Ayusin natin yung mga desisyon natin.
Lapit ate. Buti na lang hindi natin kailangan magmadali umuwi. Nakakapagod.
What is that?
The bottom one is for Candrid. The middle one is for ate. And on the top is for daddies. Oh, ang magbayad ha? Magkano babayad mo? 1.5. Ikaw, Candrid, magkano?
540.
540. Kaya pa, te?
See, I saw it. I'm smart right now.
Anong color yan? Yung kay Candrid. Magkatabi?
Hindi mo ko lang.
Kaya mag-chillax.
Magkano kaya to?
Hindi mo aabot kayo ng 20 pataas. Sabi nila, hindi mo na
handle mo.
naman ako hindi mo na tayo
Handle mo
Oo,
natin.
asin muna tayo ha. Anong gusto nyo? Asin o asukal?
Too much muna tayo, hindi kakain na.
Oh, happy dance. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy dance. Go happy dance. Say bye-bye.
How much? How much?
35. Boss.
35,000 to 60.
Tate, inubos ang pera.
Our trophy.
Ito po, thank you.
Salamat po. Saan po ba?
Dulo sir, counter 6 merchandise sticker.
We're going back home and
We're gonna get your dresser on the...
my dresser. Customer area is right there. You can't see it right now, but customer area is right there. So we're gonna get my dresser. Woo! We're gonna get my dresser, and we handpick the knob, but it's a sticker, not a actual paint. So let's go.
Nais ko kasi baka pag nasa SX,
Expressway, lumipad.
biglang-
Pauwi na ang mga pagod.
Pagoda.
Pagod ng katawang lupa. Pagod pa ang bulsa. Let's go home muna.
Reduced speed ahead.
Yun. Hello. Good morning. Lipat bahay. Wala tayong katulong. Kaya tayo lang. Walang katao-tao dito ngayon.
Pahangin.
Tanghaling tapat ngayon. Init oh. Pero mahangin naman. Dala na tayo ng mga pwede nating dalhin. Yung mga ano natin, puro DIY eh. Wala tayong pampagawa. DIY na lang.
Hi guys. I'm just sweeping the floor with our new aesthetic broom. Now we don't have to borrow. Go. Oh,
Wow, ganda.
this actually looks like a pink tan color.
Sarap sa paa.
Oh, this feels so good. Oh,
Daddy, don't sue me, okay?
Wait po.
Daddy, kung masira. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. No, I'm not doing it. No, I'm not. I'm not.
Daddy is a professional.
I am not doing it.
Pagbukas dito yung pinto, mahangin na. Yes.
So we put it under here and then we screw it in there.
Ito lang doon sa kabila.
With all that.
Hmm.
Android mo dyan. Papatong na rin.
Hello guys, today we're gonna be opening my new storage box. My instructions. Cutter. I'm good at following instructions. So I got my 2 cutters.
Lagyan natin na ganito para hindi na masiliman habang namingit. Ayos na. Hindi na tayo kita. Frost. Yun nga lang, kailangan pa ng exhaust. Pwede na siguro open mo. Oh. Ayan. Pero at least kahit pa paano, okay na siya. Pwede ka na umihi, hindi ka nakita dito sa kabilang bahay. Kaya lang, pag nakabukas yung pinto, ayun, kita ka. Kita ka naman doon. Binibuild na ni ate yung kanyang table. Building the table para kanyang study table. Hey, good job! Yan naman. Ang dami naman, baby. Gawin naman natin.
My room.
Let's build your
Hi,
table.
Matt. We're going with a white and pink style.
Maganda yan, study table mo. Hindi masyado malaki ah. Ano tayo, tapos mo natin? Yeah. Very good. Uy, ganda.
Wow! Tanggalin mo yung mga patay.
Ano man ang bubuhin natin, te? Kaya mo yan? Sige na. Saka siya ganito. Wait, cabinet na rin. Wardrobe. Tapos, study table. Build natin ito. Mga white.
Hi guys, today we're at home after church because we're gonna pick up something special. Our chair! So we're at all home, we just arrived. So let's start the day. Yay! Let's go.
Sige po.
Para may singit namin
Pag may kuryente para diretso
para
testing.
testing.
Yung traffic sa Twin Lakes. Twin Lakes, no? Hindi pa. Sa pa? Breakfast with Antonio.
Saan yung breakfast with Antonio?
Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun?
Breakfast at Antonio.
Ano sabi ko? Ano yan?
Breakfast with Antonio. Akala ko may kilala ko sa Antonio. Sounds family naman yun. Sounds the same.
We're at Batulao house and we're gonna go put the chair. Luckily it did rain, but it's still intact. That's our chair. We're gonna watch by the window. Is it looking good?
Happy kami kasi ngayon lang kami nagkaroon ng accent chair. Old accent chair, new accent chair. Yan. So bali, ngayon gagawa natin ng parang itong pindahan natin sa CR. Kita tayo ng ating bahay pag nakaupo tayo sa throne. Bali, yung mga kailangan natin ito. Yung frosted na sticker, 70 pesos. Water sprayer. Tapos cutter. Tsaka itong pang tanggal ng bubbles. Tapos gagamitin natin yung edge para magputol ng sobrang sticker. Ayan. So, bali una natin gagawin, kinat na natin to para pwede na natin ilagay doon. Ayan. Gagamitin natin yung itong edge kasi ito yung pinaka-straight. Linisin muna natin yung pinaka-salamin. Pagdidikit natin. Linisin muna natin dito. Tapos, sprayan natin. Ayan, ganyan lang ha. Didikit nyo lang. Ganito yun. Ayan, sa kabilang side. Ayan, hindi mo kailangan perfect na perfect sa una eh.
Walang guard. Nung papasok ko, wala na naman. Diba? Wala na namang guard. Yung wala na dito sa pinaka-gate natin.
Dito.
Yung sa may RFID.
Wala. Para wala yung bubbles. So, ito na yung maraming tubig. So, pag ganyan na, puputulin natin itong sobra. Yan, puputulin na. Yan. Ito na. So, kailangan na lang tanggalin yung mga bubbles, saka ayusin mo sa kakalikot. Okay na. Hindi na tayo kita. Nice na. Okay.